In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this cute mini Dholki hair tie. Grab some fabric pieces, measuring 11 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Fold these in half and stitch the top. Fill it in with polyester fiber. Stitch the sides and squeeze so that it looks like this. Grab a felt piece and foam tape. Cut these in circles and glue them together. Then glue them to both these sides. Grab some sparkly lace and glue it to both sides of the Dholki. Now it's time for decoration. Grab some multicolor thread, some beads, thread and hairbands. Grab your multicolored thread and start stitching in a zigzag pattern. Then stitch across like this, all the way around in a zigzag pattern. Start stitching your beads along each line at the top. Now start stitching the same way at the bottom. And you're done! For the last part, glue on your hairbands and then stitch to secure. These are so beautiful! Follow my channel for more unique and easy ideas like this. I also posted a short video about this which you can watch using the link in the comments.
Thanks for watching.